I had 7 days to go from 0 followers to blowing up. Struggling to film content, 0 engagement. My followers are stuck at 0. Why is Wow shocking? 7 days, 0 followers. What am I doing wrong? Ugh, this is a mess. Still 0. 7 days, 0 followers, and I'm trying to become an influencer. If I fail, I delete everything. No followers, no connections, no ads. Just me and 7 days to blow up. Day 1, 0. I'm starting my daily posting challenge and refreshing. Still 0 views. The grind starts now. All right, creating my new Instagram account. And welcome to my very first video. I'm still getting used to this tripod setup. Let me just adjust this a little. Post first video. Refreshing, no views. Starting from 0 followers isn't a setback, it's a blank canvas. This is where the journey begins.
Still struggling with no followers.
Struggling to film content, 0 engagement. My followers are stuck at 0. Why is Wow shocking? Even my village people didn't watch this. I studied viral videos. This one looks good.
Welcome back. Today, we'll cover 3 key updates.
Okay, let's see.
First, the new dashboard design.
Hooks. Writing down content ideas, one after the other.
Turns out, attention is a science.
Posting my second video to see how it turns out.
Wow, 1.22 million likes already. And that's flooding in. New followers are joining us. And 15.4 favorites. Keisha and Valentine. Hi everyone, I just finished a big project I'm excited about. I'll be posting the details soon, so follow me to stay updated. Alright, posting it now. Tap to follow and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Checking the views. Ugh, low views again. I can't believe it. Why does this keep happening? And just like that, everything stopped. So it wasn't luck. Or maybe it was. Level up! Lights on. Camera ready. New look, new energy. Level up complete. Success and failure are both part of the journey. It's not about avoiding failure, a learning from it. Every step, good or bad, shapes your path to success. Keep pushing forward, Dave. This is where most people quit. I didn't.
And just like that, more followers.
This is getting real. I've been waiting for this moment. Here it is. White Neon Pathways. I think you have to watch. Wow! This is insane! Becoming an influencer isn't luck. Should I try 30 days next or go from influencer to making money?